The spring real estate market is that time of year when there tends to be an uptick in the activity in the real estate market. And this is due to a number of factors, and one of them is, of course, the weather is improving and people like to get out and they can tour lots of open houses and just casually look on their own. But also, people with families and young children like to move in the summer when school is out. So this gives them an opportunity to get out there and look and actually see what they want, place an offer, and negotiate a closing. In addition to the seasonal factors, we generally see an increase in inventory because spring is when most sellers want to sell their homes. And that creates more competition for sellers, but it also increases the opportunity for buyers to have more inventory to look at and perhaps even negotiate on a price that they may not have been able to in the earlier months of the year. Overall, the spring real estate market can be a very exciting time for both buyers and for sellers to find the right home or sell a property at a really good price. However, with any real estate markets, it's always important to do your research and to find a really good real estate agent like me to help you along with the process and make it much simpler, easier, and fun.